So good morning from Sriracha. Today we are going to this cafe called Small Town of Sriracha, and let's see how is this goes and see you in the cafe. Say good morning, Cotton. Good morning, Cotton. So me and Mom already in the car.
หมอนถ้าว่ามันเกะกะเอา
ไม่หนุนหลังแล้วค่ะ So we arrived here in little town of Sriracha, and it's so close to the beach, and look at this. And Mom see the opening. Yes, Mom. So we're gonna go inside. So this is the little town coffee shop. So we're gonna try to see their menu and check what's food available. So this is Little Town Sriracha Cafe, and he is the on duty today, and we're gonna check the order and we're gonna sit outside. And they have this also ice cream. Which one you want, Mom?
I'm not sure.
They have three kinds of menu. This one
This
and
pizza.
pizza.
Not here.
What's that, Ma'am?
It's a different one.
It's the one,
It's a salad and this burger.
the main course. Let's check. And look at their little menu also. Pizza. They have pizza notebook in here. Right. And look, there's spicy safari supreme. Spicy. They have double pizza. Wow. Smoked bacon. So they have snack grill in here. This is only they're available. And they have also this, but it's also limited. And these are the burger available also. So Mom got this already. Maybe I get the double cheeseburger then. Look, they have the all kind of music. They use for music also. If Madam April is here, she will be happy to do selfie in this vanity mirror. So let's show inside. And look at this. They have also room inside full of painting with the painting that Ludi liked it. Wow. Nice. And you can sit also here and watch the view, but this one is, the window is closed with the glass. If you're a bit picky with the wind, because if you sit down outside, you know already the wind from the ocean. So they have a lot of painting also here. They have one coast stage up there. And nice. And Mom is already there. And look at their table. Wow. Nice. This is the door that they have. Oh, it's wood also. It's thick wood. And they have also this. Wow. You want to sit here or you want to sit there, but Mom chose to sit there. So we're gonna sit here. Oh, poor doggy. He's catching his own food on the water. Dang. I don't know if this restaurant is friendly with dogs also, you see. Catching fish. Poor thing. So let's go check in here. Oh, look at this. I'm here for you no matter what. I believe in you. So it means this is the place where the couple take pictures. Nice. Oh, there's nothing. I will show you now in the back because this is the end already. It's not that too big, and then the toilet is up there also. And the opening is there. The kitchen is here. And that's it, I think. Look at this. So our order just arrived. I tried this double cheese beef that they have. And what you got there, Mom?
Double cheese chicken.
Double cheese chicken too.
Yeah.
So all is cheesy today. So let's dig in and try the burger. Mom and I already done with our brunch, breakfast and lunch. So how is the food, Mom?
Thursday brunch. No,
Thursday
Friday.
brunch. Thursday.
Thursday.
Ah, okay. So let's go. How is the food?
Very good.
Very good. You're not lying.
No.
No, at least we have a lot of, what you call this? I don't know what's the name, but this is the paddle thing.
Surfboard.
Yeah, if you know, I think they have also here. Oh, in Little Town. And this is this the bathroom, Mom?
Yeah. You want to use?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Look, there, yeah, but there is also a special.
Perhaps the owner stay here.
Maybe. So we ordered already both, and we're gonna wait until it will come. And look at the view in the back. So that's the experience of mermaid. What's the name? Little Town of Sriracha. So it's nice. It's a cozy cafe. I think it's a little bit
Good.
it's still it's still new, right? I think they still learning things in how to process the business as I can see, but yeah, a little bit take time to wait for the food, but it's okay. The food is good.
I think pizza is supposed to be good too, but cook's not here.
I asked Mom if they have pizza, so we're gonna eat pizza, and the counters, the cashier said that the guy who is doing pizza is not yet around, so no pizza today. We eat burger. It's already night in Sriracha, and I'm with Mom. We're gonna go in Lake Place and check what we can get here. It's the place of Lake Alice Beer Shop. Oh, it doesn't show. It doesn't show. It's Alice. We have here another one. It's too bright, the other one. So we're gonna sit for a little bit, and they are selling fish pool. The city prepared for us, and that's the kitchen. Say hi, madam. So look, and the other side is the door there. It's already a salon. This is Madam Lek serving us. So meet Madam Lek, and she served us chicken and French fries and sticky rice. The sticky rice in Thailand is a bit fancy. Hi, Lick. Thank you again. We're gonna go now. See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So we are back in the house. Again, thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.